Is it time to update your bathroom with a new shower? The shower gets plenty of use and can start to appear grimy and outdated over time. It may be time to update your bathroom with a new shower. Is your shower old? One of the main factors to consider is the age of your shower. Most experts recommend replacing it after 7 to 10 years, when the parts start to become old and break down. The materials also determine the lifespan of the shower, whether it's made of acrylic, metal, or double-thick acrylic. Broken shower fixtures. Your shower likely needs to be replaced if it has broken fixtures, which include a broken shower head or faucet. When the shower is in use, it may also have low water pressure due to excess sediment that has accumulated in the pipes. When you stand in the shower, take a close look at the floor, which may be cracked or uneven due to old age and deterioration. Also examine the shower door to determine if it's faulty and doesn't close properly, which can allow excess water to leak out. Hard to remove dirt and grime. Think about how often the shower is cleaned, which can affect its lifespan and cause a film of dirt and grime to build up over time. Acrylic can become yellow or lack transparency, and mold and mildew may be present on the handle or on the drain. If the shower isn't cleaned frequently, it can be challenging to remove the grime and discoloration that is present. The dirt can be accompanied by strong odors and smells, which linger in the rest of the bathroom. Glass showers update in old style. If your bathroom has yellow tiles from the 70s or outdated hardware, it may be time to replace it with a new feature. The style of your shower will have an impact on the overall design and appearance of the bathroom. Glass showers are now very popular and easy to keep clean. With a new vanity, flooring, and lighting also installed in the room, it'll transform the space and allow you to enjoy spending time in it. Once you decide it's time to update, it can be easier to keep your bathroom in great shape. You can enhance the quality of the setting and boost your home's value by installing a new shower. We specialize in beautiful glass showers and would love to help renovate your bathroom. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call